Best crypto to buy now October 10, Tezos, Cosmos, XDC network. New details came to light on October 10 in the ongoing trial of former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. Caroline Ellison, Bankman-Fried's ex-girlfriend and former head of affiliated firm Alameda Research, took the stand to deliver key testimony for the prosecution. With the latest development in Bankman-Fried's case, what is the best crypto to buy now? In her statements to the court, Ellison admitted to criminal actions during her leadership of Alameda. Crucially, she also directly implicated Bankman-Fried in systematically misusing billions of dollars in FTX customer funds. According to accounts, Ellison claimed Bankman-Fried set up the systems that enabled Alameda to improperly divert customer assets from FTX to Alameda's investment activities. She stated that under Bankman-Fried's direction, Alameda took several billions of dollars from FTX customers. Ellison's testimony provides critical backing for the prosecution's charges of fraud against Bankman-Fried. Her statements portray him as the driving force behind Alameda's alleged misuse of customer funds while she cooperated in misleading actions. FTX collapsed in November 2022. Bankman-Fried faces 7 criminal charges related to the alleged fraud scheme. He pleaded not guilty on all counts. Ellison was among the first insiders to plead guilty and agreed to testify for authorities. As the trial continues, it's uncertain whether Bankman-Fried himself will take the stand to rebut her account. While the FTX drama continues in the courts, crypto investors seeking opportunities might want to consider researching Tezos, Bitcoin Matrix, Cosmos, Meme Combat, and XDC network. These cryptocurrencies are currently staking their claim as the best to buy now, thanks to their strong fundamentals and / or positive technical analysis. Tezos XDC price holds ground in trading range amidst uptick. The XDC price has seen a slight uptick today, gaining 6.02% to trade around 687 cents. However, despite testing the 100-day EMA earlier, XDC has returned to the trading range it has been stuck in for over 50 days now. With the 20-day EMA at 674 cents and the 50-day EMA at 681 cents, the XDC price is sandwiched between these two key exponential moving averages. The RSI currently stands at 53.17, up from yesterday's 41.17. This shows gathering bullish momentum in the XDC price. However, with the RSI still below 70, XDC is not yet in overbought territory. The MACD histogram is printing at 0.001, just narrowly avoiding a bearish crossover from yesterday's zero. This indicates the bullish sentiment is fragile and could easily swing negative. In terms of volume and market cap, things are looking better for XDC. Market cap is up 6.23% to $657.4 million, while 24-hour volume is surging by over 700% to $124.2 million. This points to renewed interest in trading the cryptocurrency. With the XDC price at 687 cents, bulls are facing initial resistance at the 20-day EMA of 674 cents. Above that, the 50-day EMA at 681 cents and the key 730 cents to 741 cents resistance zone will be the levels to watch. Breaking out above 741 cents would confirm a breakout from the long-term trading range. On the downside, immediate support lies between 629 cents to 636 cents. If this gives way, the XDC price could enter price discovery mode to the downside. While the uptick in price and volume is encouraging, the XDC price remains stuck in limbo between key moving averages. A decisive breakout above resistance or breakdown below support is needed to signal the next trend. Traders may want to await this catalyst before making major commitments in either direction. Bitcoin Matrix raises over $920,000 in pre-sale, redefining crypto mining. With smart automation and tokenization, Bitcoin Matrix is disrupting cloud mining as the best crypto to buy now. This audited platform has raised over $950,000 so far in its ongoing pre-sale, letting users earn yields from Bitcoin mining without the typical mining risks. Bitcoin Matrix provides a scam-free way to earn from Bitcoin mining, using smart contracts to automate the process. The native token $BTC-MTX is currently in pre-sale, with the first stage ending October 16. Over half of the allotted 1.54 million tokens for this stage have already sold at the lowest price of 11 cents. In contrast, the questionable MineLab coin has seen massive price fluctuations after launching on decentralized exchanges. While Bitcoin Matrix has passed an audit by CoinSalt, MineLab has not provided any audits. DX Tools has detected issues, allowing the MineLab contract owner to modify user balances, opening the door to potential rug pulls. Multiple users have already reported empty balances. There are several other red flags around MineLab. No locked liquidity, anonymous developers with only a Gmail address, and vague promises of mining yields. The Mind Lab website appears hastily thrown together with fake buttons and no specifics on operations. Bitcoin Mindtrix sets itself apart with an audited contract, public team information, and a clear staking model for earning yields up to 650% APY as of writing. A total of 4 billion tokens will be minted, with 5% allocated to stakers. Users can earn from both staking rewards and future mining yields. The project has also partnered with leading cloud mining providers to deliver on its roadmap. The team's transparency and attention to detail have garnered praise from crypto influencers on YouTube and beyond. With the infrastructure in place for secure and passive Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin Mindtrix proves itself as the best crypto to buy now. The takeaway is clear: newcomers like Mind Lab may promise the moon but lack substance. Meanwhile, Bitcoin Mindtrix offers a compliant, audited way to participate in Bitcoin's growth. For investors seeking passive income and crypto diversification, this forward-thinking platform is the clear choice in the highly competitive Bitcoin mining scene. Cosmos Atom price stuck below resistance at $7, facing downside pressure. The Atom price has been struggling to regain momentum after its recent sell-off. Atom is currently trading at $6.707, down 1.83% on the day. With the price well below key EMA levels, Atom remains in a bearish state according to the EMAs. The 20-day EMA for the Atom price stands at $6.980, while the 50-day EMA sits at $7.229. With the Atom price below both these short and long-term EMAs, this indicates sustained downward momentum. The widening gap between the EMAs shows increasing negative sentiment. The RSI is currently at 40.23, down from yesterday's 43.32. This shows fading bullish momentum and the potential for further Atom price declines. A reading below 30 would indicate oversold conditions and potential for a corrective bounce. The MACD histogram is at -0.034, decreasing from yesterday's -0.22. The growing negative value reinforces the bearish momentum pervading the Atom market currently. With the Atom price down 1.83% so far today to $6.707, the Atom price remains stuck below the key $7 level, which has acted as resistance over the past few days. In terms of potential price levels, Atom faces immediate resistance between $6.955 to $7.04. This zone aligns with the Fib 0.5 level at $6.98 and the 20-day EMA at $6.980. Breaking above this area could signal a bullish shift in momentum. On the downside, Atom has immediate support between $6.574 to $6.692, along with the Fib 0.786 level at $6.586. Losing this support could see Atom retest the psychological $6 level, with the $5.80 region representing the next major downside target. With technical indicators painting a bearish picture, traders may want to wait on the sidelines for a definitive shift in momentum before entering new Atom positions. Cautious trading focused on defined risk limits is recommended until Atom can regain the key $7 resistance or holds above vital support. The coming days will be pivotal in determining if this is just a pullback within an uptrend or the start of a deeper bearish move. Meme Combat's $MK, the best crypto to buy now for crypto gaming enthusiasts. The best crypto to buy now might just be $MK, the native token powering the hot new Meme Combat gaming platform gaining traction in the Web3 space. Meme Combat brings decentralized, blockchain-based gaming to meme coin enthusiasts, promising a one-of-a-kind experience built on Ethereum. Meme Combat's $MK token presale has attracted major hype, raising over $430,000 within days of its launch. The presale offers the $MK token at a discounted price of $1.667 per token, translating to a modest $20 million market cap for one of 2023's biggest crypto presales. Meme Combat has established a fundraising goal of $10 million, allocating 50% of the total supply to the presale. At its core, Meme Combat is an AI-driven gaming platform enabling users to wager on battles between characters representing trendy meme coins. Gamers can choose between direct betting, player versus player, and player versus game betting options, providing flexibility. Meme Combat leverages blockchain to ensure transparency in its gaming operations. The $MK token is integral to Meme Combat's GameFi and GambleFi components. $MK stakers stand to earn yields of up to 112% APY as of writing. Presale buyers start generating passive income immediately as their newly acquired tokens enter the staking contract upon purchase. With a wildly successful presale fueling momentum, Meme Combat seems poised for potential major exchange listings later this year. Given the project's strong fundamentals and growth roadmap, the $MK token may be the best crypto to buy now for investors keen to participate in Meme Combat's crypto gaming ascent. XDC continues to bleed lower, down 8.42% so far in October. The XDC price continues to face selling pressure, with the cryptocurrency down 0.83% so far today to trade around 4,874 cents. This extends the slow bleed lower that XDC has experienced for much of the past month, with the coin now down 8.42% so far in October. From a technical perspective, the near-term outlook remains bearish for the XDC price. The 20-day EMA currently stands at 5,040 cents, while the 50-day EMA resides at 5,206 cents. With XDC trading firmly below both moving averages and the EMAs beginning to align in a bearish formation, this points to continued downside ahead. The RSI indicator sits at 41.54. Drifting lower from yesterday's 42.75 reading. With the RSI below the 50 midpoint, this signifies prevailing negative momentum and limited upside potential. The MACD histogram now prints at 0.00007, a decrease from the prior day's 0.00010 level. The deteriorating MACD further cements the building downside trajectory for XDC. In terms of key levels, previous long-term support between 5,003 cents and 5,048 cents that is now flipped into resistance, along with the 20-day and 100-day EMAs, will look to halt any XDC bounce. Only a decisive break back above this area would turn the tide. On the downside, initial support holds between 4,318 cents and 4,558 cents, with the Fib 0.236 level at 4,455 cents offering confluent support. But failure here could open up a test of the swing low around 3,667 cents. With XDC still struggling below former support, the path of least resistance appears lower. Remaining defensive and capitalizing on oversold bounces seems prudent until the bulls can invalidate the series of lower highs and lows. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.